Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your computer meets basic requirements. Your machine should have at least 4 GB RAM available. Also, keep about 2 GB free disk space for the Google Earth cache. Open Google Earth Pro and choose Help, then About to see the version number. Make sure you run Windows 10 or Windows 11 for best compatibility. If the version is older than 7. 3. 6. Plan to update before doing repairs. These checks avoid wasting time on unnecessary fixes. Start by clearing the disk cache to remove corrupted tiles. Go to Tools, then Options, then Cache, and set disk cache to 2 GB before clearing. Next, disable hardware acceleration in the 3D view settings to test GPU issues. Close the app and right-click the shortcut to run as administrator when reopening. If graphics or loading errors continue, fully uninstall Google Earth Pro. Download and reinstall the latest 7. 3. 6 installer and reboot your computer afterward. Check network settings next if the app still fails to load imagery. Ensure ports 80 and 443 are allowed through your firewall or router. Disable any system proxy or VPN temporarily to eliminate connection blocks. If KML files cause crashes, rename your Google Earth user profile folder to reset preferences safely. After reinstall or reset, reopen Google Earth Pro and test 3D imagery loading, KML import, and the ruler tool. Confirm everything works before restoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.